Don't miss this vehicle. Make a great choice today with this must-have ride. Learn more about this vehicle by contacting the dealership today and complete your driving dreams. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.5-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 8,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, alloy wheels, remote keyless entry, 4-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, traction control, brake assist, rear window defroster, rear window wiper. Inside you'll find heated steering wheel, heated front seats, security system, cruise control, trip computer, power windows, power steering, overhead console, panic alarm,